While everyone's busy selling courses and ebooks, a small group of entrepreneurs are already making six figures without lifting a finger. I'm talking about AI agents that work 24/7. They handle customer service, create content, and run businesses even while their owners sleep. But here's the real question. Are AI agents the next billion-dollar opportunity? Stick around to find out. Hi everyone, if you're new here, I'm Paridhi, and over the past 2 years, I've generated over $500,000 selling digital products and helped hundreds of people in my community called PPC to build profitable online businesses with digital products. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you never miss the valuable content I share. Today we are exploring something that could completely transform how you think about digital products, AI agents. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether this is worth your time and investment, or if you should stick to what's already working. Let's start with the basics. What actually are AI agents? Because I see a lot of confusion out there. An AI agent isn't just ChatGPT with a fancy name. Think of it like this. If ChatGPT is a really smart person you can ask questions to, an AI agent is like hiring a virtual employee who can actually complete the entire workflows for you. So instead of selling courses on how to write email marketing campaigns, you could sell an AI agent that actually writes, schedules, and optimizes email campaigns automatically. The customer doesn't need to learn anything, they just get the result. Now here's where it gets interesting for us as digital product creators. Traditional digital products require the customer to do the work. Courses, templates, even done-for-you services, they all require human input. AI agents flip this completely. They are the implementation. One of my students in my PPC community, who's a lead generation expert, built an AI agent for real estate agents. Instead of selling them courses on lead generation, their AI agents actually generate leads, qualifies them, and books appointments. They're charging $500 per month per agent, and they've got 11 active subscribers in 7 months. That's over $5,500 monthly recurring revenue from one digital product. You see the key difference? Value delivery without customer effort. That's the holy grail of digital products, and AI agents might be the first technology that actually makes it possible at scale. Now I did my research, and let me show you the 3 types of AI agents that are actually making money right now and what's working today. Type 1, business process agents. These handle specific business workflows. Think customer service agents that handle support tickets, content creation agents that write and post social media content, or sales agents that qualify leads and book calls. The beauty? Businesses already understand the value because they're replacing human tasks they're already paying for. Type 2 is simple personal productivity agents. These are targeted at individuals, not businesses. Meal planning agents that create shopping lists and recipes based on dietary restrictions, fitness agents that create and adjust workout plans, or even study agents for students. Type 3 is the industry-specific agents. This is where the big money is. These agents are hyper-focused on solving problems for specific industries. Real estate, law, medicine, or accounting. You need more expertise to build them, but you can charge premium prices because you're solving industry-specific problems. Do you also see the pattern I see? The more specific the use case, the higher the price point. Generic agents compete on price. Specific agents compete on value. Let's talk about the numbers, the actual money, because I know that's what you really want to know. Based on what I'm seeing in the market and conversations with people already doing this, you can have low-end agents $29 to $99 per month. Think basic productivity or content creation tools. Mid-tier agents $200 to $500 per month. Business process automation for small businesses. High-end agents $1,000 to $5,000 per month that are industry-specific solutions for professionals. But wait, it's not as easy as it sounds. Building agents requires you to be a little tech savvy. After you've built it, it needs ongoing maintenance and customer support. Unlike selling a course which you created once and sell it forever, AI agents require continuous updates and improvements. I've been tracking several people who launched AI agent businesses in the last 6 months. The successful ones are making anywhere from $10,000 to $100,000 per month, but they're also investing at least 40 hours a week into development and customer success. The unsuccessful ones, I believe they underestimated both the technical complexity and the customer education required. So here's my honest take. Should you jump into AI agents right now? Yes, if you have technical skills or you can hire developers. You're ready to handle customer support, you're targeting a specific problem or industry and are committed to providing continuous value. Absolutely not if you're looking for quick passive income. You don't have the technical expertise or a team to support this, or if you're already running a profitable digital product business and you're not looking to complicate things. Before we move on to the conclusion, let me also tell you about no-code platforms like Mindpal and Zapier. These platforms let you build AI agents using visual workflows instead of coding. I've seen people with zero programming experience create functioning AI agents using Mindpal. But again, you need to be a little tech savvy for this, like I said. You need to understand how triggers work, how to connect different applications, how to set up conditional logic, and how to troubleshoot when things break. It's easier than coding, but it's not plug and play. If you're thinking of getting into this, let me tell you my recommendation. Start by identifying a specific problem in your existing audience or industry. Then, before building anything, pre-sell the solution. If you can get 5 to 10 people to pay you $50 to $500 each for an AI agent that doesn't exist yet, you've validated the market and funded your development. An alternative approach which is hot right now is you can create educational content about AI agents, sell templates and frameworks for AI agent development, or even build a community around AI entrepreneurs. If you're already successful with digital products, consider how you can serve the people who are building AI agent, courses on AI agent marketing, templates for customer onboarding, or communities for AI entrepreneurs. Lower risk leverages your existing skills and you're not competing with developers. If you want to dive deeper into emerging digital product opportunities like this and learn how to evaluate what's worth your time versus what's just hype, that's exactly what we discuss in my PPC community. I'll drop the link below. We've got people building everything from traditional courses to AI agents. And the conversations about what's actually working are invaluable. I'll see you in the next one.